We divide 802 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 0 and it is 30. So 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down these 2 and 5 times 0 mean 0. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 802 divided by 5 is 160 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.